What are these? If you guessed tube turners, you're right. Tube turners are used to flip a sewn tube of fabric right side out. You may be asking, what would I use a tube of fabric for? Well, the Dritz Quick Turn fabric tube turner set includes 3 sizes. The smallest size is great for making tubes that can be used as spaghetti straps or button loops, like those on the True Bias Laura dress. I love using the medium size to help me make apron ties, and the largest size can be used to make wider straps like those on the Closet Core Fiona dress. Here's how to use them. You begin by sewing the tube right sides together, leaving one end open and one end closed. You'll trim the corners of the closed end. Select the size turner you need and drop the straw into the tube so it goes all the way to the closed end. Insert the closed end of the tube into the straw using the corresponding stick. Gently push the stick farther into the straw while sliding the fabric over the straw like this. The stick will poke out the other end of the straw and you'll keep sliding until the fabric is completely right side out. Remove the straw and then use the stick to create crisp corners at the end. You can see I'm really getting in there. When that's done, you can remove the stick, give it a press, and voila, you have a professional looking tube. Comment turner below to shop these awesome tube turners on our website. And remember to save this post to make your next tube turning experience an easy one.